Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I'm going to share with you my 2019 annual catalog product purchase premiere sneak peek. I've just gotten back from OnStage in Charlotte, and I can't wait to show you some of the new products. So let me set this aside, and we'll get started. Okay, I am going to start with the new in colors, and I am absolutely in love. The colors that we introduce every 2 years are one of my favorite surprises. And our first color is going to be the Seaside Spray. Our second is called Pretty Peacock, and it's a beautiful shade of blue. Terracotta Tile, Purple Posy, and Rococo Rose, and those of you who know me know that's going to be one of my favorites. And let me show you the cardstock real quick. Here we go. Aren't they gorgeous together? These colors are going to combine with our current color families just beautiful and give us more shades to work with of the different colors. If you're recognizing this terracotta tile, you're starting to see it in the stores already. It's one of the Pantone colors of the year. So let me set this aside and I'll show you some more. Our first suite of products is the Follow Your Art suite, and this is designed for crafters. It's got this wonderful stamp set, some dies that coordinate with it, and if you notice, no worries, it's still the same folder, it's just slightly different. Our cutting embossing folder, button, these adorable little boxes that come in a package. I believe there's 8 in here, and there's fairly substantial size, as you can see. Some washi tape that's just adorable. I love this little Stampin' Up logo on this one. And then this beautiful box, Follow Your Art Embellishment Kit. It's a wonderful little box, and when you open it, you've got some Pacific Point Calypso Coral linen thread, some of these cute little embellishments. There's paper clips and cute little charms that said made with love, and then a package of 4 different felt embellishments, a sheet of each color to decorate your projects. And last but not least, I know you want to see the Designer Series paper. We have a pack of Designer Series paper here, Follow Your Art, and it's got all kinds of wonderful, bright, cheerful images for all kinds of crafters. So you're going to love this to go with this suite of products. So let me set this aside and I'll show you the next suite. Okay, the next suite is the Bird Ballad suite, and I fell in love with this. After all, how can you not love these cute little birds? So there's the stamp set, and this one happens to be in our new cling mount. And then it also has a coordinating stitched nested labels die, and you are going to absolutely want these. They're fantastic, and they've got that popular stitched edge that we all love. And I'm going to show you this Designer Series paper package. It's absolutely beautiful with its patterns, and I wanted to show this to you. These little birds were all done with our blends, photographed and then put onto the Designer Series paper for us. One side has these beautiful images, and the other side includes flowers and leaves and feathers and birds and stripes. So you're going to love this. It comes with this beautiful lace ribbon in the suite. It's called the Very Vanilla Scalloped Lace Trim, and it's to die for. And these little embellishments are so cute. They are an antique, and we have this little key and a leaf with the little loops so you can tie them on. And then we have this little floral shape here and this adorable little bow. And these are 3D, and as you can see, you get a ton of them in this little package. And last but not least is this beautiful tin, the Bird Ballad laser cut card tin. And let me open this up. It's about 5 by 7, I guess you would say. And it's got these lovely, very vanilla laser cut cards and envelopes in it. Can't you imagine using that tin, making some special cards with the suite, wrapping a ribbon around it and giving it as a gift? So let me set this aside and I'll show you the next suite. This next suite of product is one of my absolute favorite. Anybody who knows me know I love the sea and anything nautical, so of course I had to get it. And you'll be seeing this on my class schedule for you too. The Sailing Home set is also a cling mount set, and it comes with coordinating dies and of course some embellishments to go with that. We've got this wonderful little silver looking anchor and wheel that you can use for your projects. Some beautiful baker's twine. This happens to be Night of Navy and Sahara Sand. Memories and more, so that you can make quick and easy cards or do a quick and easy memories layout with our cards. And last but not least, this beautiful paper. Rich, wonderful colors, and you're going to love the different patterns on this paper. Great for all kinds of projects. So let me set this aside and I'll show you the Perennial Essence Suite. Okay, the next suite comes with this beautiful floral essence stamp set. It's got some great line images for coloring, and it also has this wonderful shape that has a coordinating punch, and you know we love punches. And this little leaf coordinates with one of our current punches. So let me set that aside. I'm going to show you this beautiful ribbon that goes with this suite of products. It's real soft, and it's got this little line down the center of the sheer panel. And since it's a floral suite, we've also got these adorable little floral centers. I hope you can see they're kind of fuzzy and they're self-stick. And then we have this rich, beautiful paper. I think you're going to love it. The colors are just absolutely striking. And when you flip it over, you've got these wonderful neutral patterns on the back side. And one of the cool things about this suite is it comes with the option of vellum, colored vellum this time. This package has 3 colors in it. It's got a little different texture on either side. So that is our Perennial Essence Suite, and I think you're going to like this for all kinds of projects. Those next suite of products that we have are the Magnolia Lane Suite, and this is a 2K stamp set. It's got this beautiful magnolia image that is line art so that you can color it all different ways. And of course we need some dies to cut those magnolias out. This suite happens to have a set of ribbon. The one is the Mossy Meadow linen twine, and the other is this beautiful crumb cake with an edging. It has kind of a woven feel to it, but it's so soft and easy to tie. And of course the Magnolia Lane Designer Series paper. This one side is soft and sweet with all kinds of floral images and the one stripe. And when you turn it over, the other side is bold. Now the Magnolia Lane Suite coordinates and works with our Garden Lane Suite, and this is the Garden Lane Designer Series paper. Wonderful shades of green, nature images, and there's a beautiful stamp set that works with this. The Mosaic Mood Suite is the next suite I wanted to share with you, and unfortunately I forgot to order the stamp set. And it's got this beautiful Specialty Designer Series paper. I hope you can see this little bit of shine on the paper. And then it comes with this beautiful option of our flower faceted gems. You get a ton of these in the little package, and they're just beautiful. We also have the option of our 1/4 inch textile ribbon, and I don't know if you can see this, it almost has kind of a satin feel to it. It's got a sheen to it, and then of course a fantastic punch. This is our timeless label punch that will coordinate with the set. Now the great news is we're going to be doing our Designer Series paper swatches again, so you can watch for that coming soon on my blog. Okay, the next set I've got here is To a Wild Rose, and of course it comes with some of our new dies. And then the last set I've got is this wonderful Above the Clouds, and I just love the sentiments in this set. I think you can use them for all kinds of things. And it's got a punch that coordinates with it, so I know I'm going to use this a lot. Matter of fact, I've got some special cards already in my mind. One of the things I love about being a demonstrator is the fact that we get to see, feel, touch, and order things early before anyone else does. So if that's something that appeals to you, I'd love to talk with you about joining my team. It's a great time with pre-order starting May 1st. And of course, if you'd like a 2019 annual catalog and want to know if you're eligible for a free one, look at the bottom of my blog post and you can find the details. And as always, you can purchase any of Stampin' Up's product in my online store, and you can get there from my blog, Stamp with Jini. Thanks for joining me.